Jumpstart process optimization with best practice content packs. Best practice content packs are now available with process optimization. Content packs provide you with two great starting points for developing your process optimization plans. The first is a set of predefined process optimization models for incident management, problem management, change management, and request management. The model settings help define what data should be mined and the key points you should analyze, for example, state transitions, assignment groups, or priority. The second starting point provides predefined continual improvement initiatives for three common areas of need: reducing mean time to resolve, increasing first call response rate, and improving customer satisfaction. Let's take a closer look. Upon installing the Process Optimization Content Pack plugin, you'll have access to 4 prepackaged continual improvement initiatives: increasing percentage of incidents resolved on the first assignment group, reducing response to SLA breach, making change process more agile, reducing incident MTTR. Drilling into one of these initiatives and selecting the Process Optimization link, users will have access to the appropriate process model definition. Each initiative comes already associated with the proper model required to achieve the desired outcome. You don't have to spend time and resources developing your own. A model that has proven successful will help you better optimize your processes. Drilling further into the model definition allows you to see more details around the predefined process model. Additional access to node definitions lets users understand activity transitions by state or assignment group. Using the Breakdown Definitions tab, analysts can gather further information by location, category, priority, contact type, etc. For example, the breakdown by location allows analysts to compare and contrast efficiency and overall team performance by geography, whereas contact type shows analysts if incidents came in via phone, virtual chat, email, etc. The details of both of these tabs are available via the content packs. However, process analysts can create new node definitions or breakdown definitions relevant to their organization. The Best Practice Content Pack provides pre-built continual improvement initiatives to help your organization to achieve its goals. Additionally, users receive pre-built process optimization models for incident, problem, change, and request processes. Together, these pre-built modules let you jumpstart your organization's process optimization and validate key improvement initiatives.